What if I told you that the very account you trust to grow your money might be silently costing you thousands? High-yield savings accounts. Everyone's favorite safe place to stash cash. They sound promising, risk-free, lucrative, even smart. But here's the truth. Some people are falling for a well-disguised trap. And if you're between 18 and 35, just starting to build wealth, you're exactly the kind of person this trap is designed to ensnare. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll either feel empowered to use high-yield savings like a weapon, or smart enough to walk away from them completely. Because let's face it, your money deserves better than sitting in a high-yield account earning less than $1 a day, while Netflix charges you $15 to watch reruns. Let's rewind a bit. The economy feels unstable. Inflation is eating away at your paycheck. You want safety, security, peace of mind, and then you see it. Earn 4.5% APY with a high-yield savings account. Sounds like a win, right? But here's the uncomfortable question. What if that 4.5% isn't protecting you from inflation, but quietly draining your purchasing power instead? Let's break this down. The average inflation rate in the US over the past year? Around 3.4% to 5%. That means your high yield is often just breaking even, or worse, losing. But the real problem? It's not the interest rate. It's what you're not doing while your money sits there. And that's where things get dangerous. Imagine your money chilling in a lounge chair, sipping a cocktail, while inflation kicks down your financial door. Not exactly the financial hero you thought it was. Let's talk about opportunity cost. Every dollar sitting in a high-yield savings account is a dollar not invested in the stock market, real estate, a side hustle, or even your own education. And over time, those missed opportunities compound. Did you know that $10,000 invested in the S&P 500 just 5 years ago would now be worth over $16,000? Meanwhile, that same $10,000 in a savings account, earning 4.5%, it'd be around $12,200. And that's before taxes and inflation take a bite. But wait, does that mean high-yield savings are completely useless? Not quite. In fact, they can be your best ally if you know when and how to use them. You wouldn't wear a helmet to bed just because it's safe, right? Same with high-yield savings. Context is everything. Here's the truth successful people know. High-yield savings accounts are not for building wealth. They're for protecting it. Use them for emergency funds, 3 to 6 months of expenses, short-term goals, buying a car, moving cities, a wedding fund, holding cash you'll need soon, not years from now. For long-term growth, you need to invest, because money that's not growing is shrinking. And with inflation lurking like a thief in the night, every month you delay investing costs you more than you think. Ask yourself this: will your future self thank you for playing it safe, or be furious that you played it small? Still not sure how to balance saving and investing? Wondering exactly how to start building wealth in a smart, calculated way? Good, because I've got just the next step for you. Now you know the truth. High-yield savings accounts aren't a scam, but they can feel like one if you don't use them strategically. Your job now? Stop saving blindly. Start building intentionally. And if you're ready to take that leap, watch this next video. 5 steps to achieve financial freedom easily. It's the practical roadmap you need. No fluff, no overwhelm. Just smart, powerful steps that anyone can follow. Because financial freedom isn't just for the elite, it's for the intentional. It's for you.